Aloha Divine Family at the time of this beautiful sacred lunar eclipse that we are all feeling deeply within. I'm in a very special place in the grids, and we are together grounding in the Sophionic energies in this moment in time. A lot of people are feeling the dissolution of the self, the alpha, omega, I that is dissolving, returning to the proper codes of wholeness. So I've just invited you in on a quick love stream to be present for these energies as we speak these sacred codes to the earth. This very special place on the earth. Koshtiana takai, Kuene chiki tiano to kuno tuchue, Bene te keoru kuno tutue, Chine tia kori, Ayanete kene totu kuini, Ashtiaru kuno tukue, Anetia no kue chianetia na tai, Bearu kuno chini chichi ai. As the Sophionic energies emerge for all of life, I, Alpha, Omega, Omega, Alpha, I, Omega, Alpha, Mini Wachoni. Water is life. And one drop of water is all it's ever taken, ever took to change the world into union and unity, collapsing the polarities within, involuting the consciousness back to source, back to wholeness, back to oneness. The star codes, Anta Karana at center, 2-strand DNA decoded, and our access into the book of love in the tree of life restored. Koshtianatakai. Tuenichi kia tukuku ni chiarukune. Aishteneti niti koritiana haru. Harinichi ki kiarukuni chiai. Aistini ke tutukuni. Arikinichi chianichi. On the root chakra, the golden dragon of Albion, the first eye of the white phoenix, the white dragon restored for the rise of the Christos and the Christa. The Sophionic energies, the 13th aeon of the Christ. Adonai, in Lakesh, Namaste, Aloha, Matako, Mini Wachoni, as we rise together home to the stars. Aho.